Okay, for this tutorial we're going to look at states. States in Storyline let you change the appearance of an object based on learner interactions. So for example, when your mouse goes over an object it might change its shape, it might get larger, it might change color. For this tutorial we're going to look at our demonstration that I've used in others, and we're going to put some states onto our front crawl button. So if you go to the bottom, you'll see next to the timeline there's the word state. We're going to click on that, and then once you click on your item you're going to add a state to, it'll appear on the bottom. So click on Edit States, and the first thing we're going to do is click on New State, and we're going to select Hover. Now this is a pre-made state or predetermined one on Storyline. You don't have to create any extra triggers for it yourself. So I click that one and Add. And up in Shape Effect we're going to add a halo effect to it so that the user knows when they're hovering around it. And we're going to add an extra state. We're going to call it Selected. So this is the idea with this one, is that the user will know which button they've actually selected. So when the layer appears with the text, they'll know which one they're looking at. So we have that selected on, and we're going to change the color of it to make it very obvious it's the one that's selected. And done editing states. Now if we do the preview with that, you'll see we get a hover, a halo effect for the hovering for front crawl, and we get no such effect in backstroke. If we click on backstroke, nothing happens to it. If we click on front crawl, it changes color. Now we have a small problem here in that if we click something else, front crawl keeps that same color or doesn't act quite the way we think it should. However, changing it is a bit too advanced for this tutorial, so we will cover that in the next advanced version for states.